how to clear RAM cache on PC or laptop. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. Now, the RAM is the storage that your device utilizes so that it could run your different apps smoothly. It allows you to open your different applications, your different browsers, and all kinds of softwares on your device. And having a lot of RAM would help with managing many tasks that you are currently having. Sometimes having a lot of cache, just like this one over here in your task manager under memory, could cause some issues or could cause a lot of lag on your device. So sometimes your device would lag a lot. So what we're going to do is we're going to solve it in today's video. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your Google and search RAM map over here. This is what it would look like, as you can see. Also, don't worry about this link. This is officially from Microsoft.com over here. You're just simply going to download RAM map over here and you're going to end up with this folder. Simply download or simply double click on RAM map, which will install RAM map on your device. After you do that, we're simply going to open it like this. Let's give it a minute to load. And you will see this pop up over here, which is our RAM map. The RAM map will be connected to our task manager over here, or it will be able to detect our system files or system usage over here. So simply give it a few moments. For me, it has not responding for a few moments, but it will work, as you can see. Also check out over here below. My cache is 500 plus. I'm not sure if it will update anymore since I have done this before. But over here in RAM map, click on empty and click on empty standby list. But as you can see, it immediately went down, as you can see, from 500 to 57. And it's going to gradually go up since I'm consistently using my device. But doing so should allow your device to save a lot of issues or be less laggy. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.